Hi, my name is Matt. I'm 61 years old. I've had issues with my teeth pretty much since day one. When I was born back in 1960, my mom was prescribed a drug which was known to cause discoloration. I then didn't take care of my teeth very well at all when I was young, and I took up smoking when I got older, and all of that combined has made it worse. Worse discoloration. My teeth are crooked. It's not a pretty sight. So I put my wife and two kids through full sets of braces, which they now have straight, beautiful, gorgeous white teeth, which is awesome. And I should have done the same. I was told from a young age that I needed braces. I knew I did. Too stubborn, wasn't going to do it. Didn't want to spend that kind of time with them. So, and I wish instasmile would have came out like 30, 40 years ago, but unfortunately they didn't. Once I did hear about the clip-on veneers, I researched all of them very well, very thoroughly, and came up with instasmile. Couldn't be happier. I absolutely love them. It's been a blessing. The people there are fabulous. The product is wonderful. It changes your life in some ways. A lot more confidence. It's great. When I pretty much for my whole life, when I was in a picture, I would smile, but I really wouldn't, open my or show my teeth very much. So that was no fun. That's not fun at all. That's all gone now. Now it's not a big deal. I don't even think twice about it. So it's been a great journey. I would highly recommend it. I can show you. I've got them in right now. I don't like to show my teeth without them. I just don't. I'm not big on that, but I'll do it. What the hell? This is how easy they go in and come out. They're out. Those are my teeth. Lovely, I will admit. But just like that, put them in. They fit great. They snap in. They aren't coming out. You can eat with them. I don't think you'd want to eat steak or apples, some things like that. But for the most part, I eat almost everything with them. I've never had anybody come up to me and say they look fake or ask me if they're real. Not once. So I can't recommend them enough. I think if you do the research and you look at all of the makes and manufacturers, you can spend a lot more. But for the money, they're very reasonable, and it's a wonderful product, great product. I couldn't be any happier. So if you're going to try veneers, go try instasmile. You will not regret it. I promise that. I love them. I think you will too. Just do it. What the hell? What do you got to lose? Thanks.